Hi, I'm Olivia Molli. I have been with Cole-Parmer for 3 years and I am a Senior Technical Support Representative. I help drive scientific advancement by really getting to know my customers' applications, asking what they're going to be doing throughout the day, and then leading them towards the product that will help them succeed the best. NIST Calibration, or National Institute of Standards and Technology, is a procedure that is done by an A2LA accredited metrology lab, kind of like the one we have at InnoCal, and customers will send in their equipment and it'll be tested against a known value for accuracy. A traceable calibration is an NIST calibration that we provide on our traceable products that is done in-house, and it'll provide a certificate that is good from 2 years from the date of service. Our 6500s are Wi-Fi data loggers, while our Excursion-Tracs are USB data loggers. So the 6500s are more real-time data logging, where you can go onto our Traceable Live application and view your results in real time, while our Excursion-Tracs are after the fact with a USB drive. I think a story that really stands out to me for when I provided support to a customer was a customer came to me and they were kind of at their wit's end. You can tell that they've had such a long day. They went to so many other companies and none were able to help them. And I really just took the time, really listened to their application, and was able to bring in the product and support that they needed. And they were so grateful at the end because speaking to those other companies, they kind of felt more like a number, while with Cole-Parmer, they felt like they were listened to and appreciated. And I was just very happy I can provide that experience for them. For my role, I am the most passionate about helping people. I really enjoy, finding the answers and doing what I can to really turn someone's day around. That's what I like to do with my phone call, because you never really know what type of day someone's having. So I like to do my best to, make sure that their experience with me is the best one that they can have. I really like to provide a very good experience and make sure that they know I'm happy to talk to them.